Hi, you are watching Best Motorcycle Seat Pad Reviews. Number 1, Mad Dog GearComfort. Soft molded foam, adds extra cushion. Covers existing rips, and tears and stops them from growing bigger. 3 quick release buckles, easily secure protector to the seat. Adds some extra comfort and protection to your ride when you snap a Mad Dog GearComfort ride seat protector to your ATV. The versatile gear does 2 jobs on any terrain. The first you'll notice is the soft molded foam. Number 2, Squoosh motorcycle seat. Shape and thickness designed for stock and reduced reach seats. Pad won't change distance to pegs and lower controls. Maintains ergonomic design of any seat. Breathable airflow mesh fabric for a cooler ride. Air channel design directs airflow where it's needed most. Number 3, Born Behind Barz seat cushion. Attach without removing seat. Removable gel insert for cleaning. Elastic Velcro adjustable straps. Neoprene rubber shark skin base for grip. V-notch gel and foam pad for tailbone relief. A combination of 4mm top and 4mm bottom foam layer covering a 15mm gel pad, and with the top layer of 12mm memory foam to reduce motorcycle vibrations, rider's fatigue and numbness. Number 4, Squoosh Passenger Pillion IV. Ergonomically designed to fit body geometry. Breathable fabric circulates air for natural cooling. Comfortable, pressure-relieving gel prevents numbness and discomfort. Cushioning, fluidized gel cradles your sits bones long ride comfort. No maintenance, durable waterproof fabrics, all welded construction. Convenient, lightweight, thin and compact for storage. Number 5, Conformix motorcycle gel seat. Conformix body conforming, gel-on-foam technology, offers better comfort than gel or foam alone. Minimizes heat buildup on the seat when parked in full sun. Attaches easily and safely to the seat with a secure, yet simple adjustable strap system. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.